Hello Destinners and welcome to a new episode of Disabled Destiny Gaming. Well, today is actually about a gaming accessory, which is going to be the new adaptive controller from Microsoft. Now, it's based off the Xbox controller with designed functioning specifically for the physically handicapped and those with other handicaps in mind in general, where it will adapt to you. It learns and it's more, how do I say, it's more easier to use. It learns from you and it adapts to you to give you the best gaming experience. And today I'm going to unbox one, but not in the way you think. Unluckily, I haven't got one in my hands on one of these yet, although I may try and get one for the purposes of a video and for my gaming use in future, because as things stand, I use a box standard USB powered Xbox controller that's connected to my tower for some games, because I find it's easier to have something in my hand and worry about my reaction times trying to press the right combination on a keyboard than a single button press on a gamepad. So, without any further ado, and you might be able to see on here, I'm a fan of Fullmetal Alchemist and Naruto and Dragon Ball Super, as well as Dragon Ball Z, etc. But here we are. We have the box. Now, what's interesting about the box is it's catered in mind for those who find cognitive ability by using hands, like dexterous issues such as I have, undoing plastic cable ties and etc. in mind. So this is how it's going to unbox. Simple cardboard thing, peels back, boxes fall out, or technically fall out I suppose. Nice little lift tab which opens up the box, which I think is a nice thing. There's no need for unnecessary sellotape or cable ties, which is sometimes found on some products when you get them. Complete pain, as well as using cardboard's a nice touch because A, it's fighting against our plastics in the oceans, I think, and B, it's just much easier to get into, let's say, that sealed plastic where you have to get a pair of scissors and try and jam it in between the tiniest of gaps. It's not practical. But here we are, look, it's a beautiful looking thing. Okay, so again, it's another pull out tab, pull, lift, out that comes. Yep. Nice little instruction manual underneath there by the looks of it. It just looks pretty. So if I could just go back through that again. What I liked about it, let's replay. Nice cardboard pull tab. Yeah, cardboard in general, no real use of plastic from what I can see, and that beautiful lift tab, which I think is going to be really handy for a lot of people, me especially, because I find it really difficult. Like I said, I'm doing, you know, those little ties of cable that goes around USB cable and thing, trying to use my index finger and my thumb in unison to try and get that clockwise or counterclockwise movement to untie them can take me ages. So to know that there's just a simple lift and there it is, whilst being securely packaged, is a big plus for me. So well done, Microsoft. Let's just move on here. And like I said, look how that looks. It's like something from the 90s. It's fantastic. There's a good grooves in the D-pad there for your thumb orientation. It looks like it's going to feel beautiful. You know, there's a lot of room for you to spread yourself out with your hands. As you can see, I've got big hands. To use those and just by the touch of it, it seems it's going to coordinate with your instruction. So let's just have a look. Yeah, I think that's going to be a beautiful bit of kit. I can't wait to get my hands on one. I believe, see, look, it is there, look. That's another plus point. It works with a wide range of devices via USB interface. Yeah. Again, so if you have equipment that you feel works for you, especially as a disabled gamer, this controller will help you adapt to that, which I think is fantastic. See, it's a unified hub device. I like how that works. I really do. So Microsoft, you get points from me. I really can't wait to use one day. If I can wangle one, I'll get it. So until next time, Destinners, I'll see you in the next one. Be kind always. Join me on the Play Die Repeat Discord server run by a very good friend of mine, and we're all a lovely bunch, and it's constantly growing. So I'd love to see you guys there. The link will be in the description. Follow me on Twitter, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, subscribe. Be kind always, and I'll see you in the next one.